Together, we go farther. Together. In these days of social and physical distancing, we all crave the sense of community, belonging. Together also means that we focus on what we have in common, not our differences. We all want to excel in our business. We all want to be strong for our families and for our communities. We go. Movement. We are always in motion because nothing is standing still. Change has a way of coming unannounced. Change does not come to sit in your boardroom. We are intentional. We are proactive to pivot. Farther. Farther means that we will go beyond where any of us can go in isolation. The journey will take us places that we never imagined we'd reach on our own. Everything worth pursuing is uphill, and it will be longer and harder than what we expected. The question is not how soon we can get there, but how far can we go? I want to say to you, ladies and gentlemen, on your mark, get set. It is time for us to go.
Welcome back to day 4, where we continue with this series of launching events for the NSF Industry University Center on Intelligent IoT Systems. We are at the half point, exactly at the half point, and from now on there's going to be less of a pre-recorded talks and most of the events is going to be live. So the quality of how we can serve you in industry is directly dependent on you turning on the camera and the microphone and coming live and talking with us. For today, it gives me great honor and great pleasure to introduce our co-host, Professor Weng-Keen from Oregon State University, who is also the director of the OSU site for the PPI Center. Weng-Keen, please take it from here and tell our guests what they are going to see today. Weng-Keen, we cannot see you. Where are you, Weng-Keen? Oh, there you go. What? I cannot hear you. I think you need to turn your microphone.
Oh, sorry about that. I forgot to click the blue button that said to share audio and video, which will be very important for today. So welcome. Right now, as you can see, we are on the main stage, but the rest of the events will be in the Sessions tab of Hopin. So for the next 45 minutes, we will be having a live discussion of the 6 faculty project proposals related to AI and visualization presented on September 17th. During this session, our industry discussant leads will summarize the feedback on the life forms, followed by a few minutes of further discussion with everyone from industry.
Whoa. This is not going to be a long discussion, it's going to be a few minutes.
Yes, just a few minutes. And during this discussion, I know this is going to be hard for faculty, we want our faculty to just listen. They will be brought in live for clarifications if needed. Then, for the next 45 minutes, in the Sessions tab of Hopin.
You mean there are several sessions on Hopin?
Yes, there will be multiple sessions. We will have student poster sessions, which will give you the opportunity to interact with our talented graduate students, who are the ones that are actually doing the research.
Wait. When can I be a student again? I want to interact with the industry guys. Can I be a student myself?
Sure, if you'll take a pay cut.
Okay. Weng-Keen, I feel okay, I'm going to keep my pay. But for industry, this is a great chance for you to interact with our students at their posters and ask yourself the question, is this the student that we want to bring for an internship, or maybe down the road, is this the kind of student we want to bring for a full-time opportunity? Also ask yourself the question, is this the student and their skill set the right person to advance our R&D at our company?
Now we want to remind everyone that the PowerPoint files for the posters, as well as the poster presentations, are available for download. After the poster presentations, we will have booths for our founding industry members in the expo area. Students, please pay these booths a visit, as you never know who might be a future employer. There will also be a speed networking session for everybody after the poster session if you would like to meet someone new. Finally, remember that once you enter a session, you need to do 2 things. First, you need to click on the blue button at the top to share your audio and video in order to participate in the discussion. And second, if you haven't already done so, please don't forget to let your browser have permission to access your camera and microphone. With that, let's get started.
Right on.